Can you stop reading, please?
Okay, I really wanted to.
Top rectangular prism is 800. The bottom rectangular prism is
1,200.
okay. That's one way to say charm, but it's also 1,200.
The answer is 2,000 cubic feet. The volume of the T-shaped pool is 2,000 cubic feet.
Okay, charm.
Let's try finding the volume of a composite solid. Okay, you can move over now. I want to do it.
Okay, charm.
Oh, I just have to click. Do I have to click over here?
No, charm. That's gonna take us back.
Oh. Click show me. Yes. The volume of this thing right here is 5,760 cubic centimeters.
Wow, charm. That's actually good.
Okay. Let's go really fast. Really, really fast. Really, really fast. Really, really fast. Really, really fast. Okay. The top prism is blank times 6 times 32. Where do you get 32 from? Oh, yeah. Okay, what is the length? Oh, never mind. Is this one 9? I hope so. That's the answer. No, that's not actually the answer. Let me try again.
Don't be sad. Charm. We all make mistakes. We all make mistakes.
Oh, I got the answer now. It's probably 11. Okay. 43 times 6 times 32. Is that the answer? Yes. Okay. What is the volume of the top prism? It is Okay, let me do the multiplication. Oh, I think I got the answer. This is probably 2,112, and this one is probably let me do the math again. Is it 82,056 centimeters?
You got that one right, Charm. Let's see if you get this one right. You also got that one right. I didn't even get it right myself.
Oh yeah, I'm smarter than you.
No, Charm. Anyways, add these two together.
Let me use my mental math.
How do you already know about that? You're not even in school yet.
Yeah, I'm just smart like that. I do my already. Okay. Let me use my mental math again. Is it 10,000? Wait, I know it's 10,000. It starts with 10,000. 10,000, 368. Yeah, I think that's the answer. Hooray! The left prism. I don't understand. Oh. Okay. It's 7 times 4 times 9. Oh, I forgot. I didn't do this one yet. And the right prism is 3 times 4 times 4. Oh, how this is easy. The left prism is... Let me start with the right prism because it's easier. The answer for that is 24. Wait, no. It's 48 actually. Sorry about that, guys. And I have to figure out what's the left prism. I don't even know. Wait, let me do my mental math again. Let me see if I can come up with an answer. The answer is probably, did the math. Blah, 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 blah. 252. Yes, I got it right. Now I need to, yeah. So smart, I'm so smart, yeah. This is 300 feet. Yeah, 300 feet. Okay, let's see. Well, I don't want to do this. I'm not too smart.
Well then. Well, B-Y-E. Bye, everyone. See you in our next video.